Hey friends, today we're going to be doing a parrot. So all you're going to need is your paint, glue, coffee filters, aluminum foil, and cotton balls, and a plastic plate or a paper plate to work on. I've set up my colors here and the glue. We're going to take our cotton ball and color our hand. Like so. You're going to put it on the foil. Like that. And you're going to repeat the process one more time. And you're going to put it on the bottom of this one. And your kids are going to love doing this. Now you're going to fold your coffee filter in half. We have some glue right here. Let them use their fingers. Add the glue to the back. And you're just going to put it like so on here. Like this. And we're using household items that you can find around the house. So now we're going to use our cotton ball again. And we're going to take it and we're just going to splatter, 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 splatter. Like so. A colorful parrot. And if you have an eyeball at home, go right ahead and put it on there. This is them having fun, creating an experience. Nothing has to be perfect.